Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about common table and filter functions which are available in Power BI. So, the table and filter function could be organized in three categories. One is filter data, second is add data, and third is create data. So function, let's discuss about filter data. Function used to return filter table or a filter result of a measure. So when we are going to use this filter data functions for table and filter functions. So whenever there is a requirement that we need to filter the subset of the data from a big table, or we want to filter the results from a measures. So we can use these filtered data functions. And the common filter data functions are all, filter, distinct, value, all except, all selected. So in the coming video, we are going to discuss in detail each and every filter data functions. Second category is add data. So function used to specify or add columns based on the existing data in the model. So suppose we have a table, right? And we want to add some more data in the existing table in the form of a column. So with the help of a add data table and filter function, we can able to do it. Some of the common add data table and filter functions are select columns, add columns, and summarize. We will see each and every table and filter function add data in detail in the coming videos. Third category is create data table and filter function. So the function used to generate new rows, column, and a table from the scratch. So there many times there is a requirement that we need to create a table from the scratch. So with the help of a create data table and filter function, we can create a table from the scratch. And the common functions which are available are rows, data table, generate series, and table constructor. So we will be going to see in detail create data table and filter function in our coming videos. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.